Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have a room tour for you today from my cruise on Liberty of the Seas. This was at the end of February in 2025. And the unique thing about this room is if you've ever been on a Royal Caribbean ship, there are rooms that look down into the promenade. That's what this room is. And in addition to that, it's a connecting room. So there were 4 of us all together, me and 3 of my friends. And so we got the connecting room, which was kind of nice when we were getting ready to go to dinner and things like that. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Thanks, everybody. So this is my room on Liberty of the Seas. This is from our February into March cruise on 2025. As you can see, it's cabin number 7291. It is a Promenade View room, and we'll get to that at the end. We'll stop and take a quick look at the room before we go in any further. The beds are separated, but can obviously be put together for a king. And we're going to turn to the left here as we come in, and you can see there is a decent amount of hanger space. There are also some of these other hangers here that you can let down for shirts. Plenty of shelves over here. You got your life vest down below. We have the hangers on the floor so they don't clank into one another when the ship is moving at night. And you can put your suitcases in here, but no real need. They do fit under the bed quite easily. One good spot to do is this up here. As you can see, it's a great spot to put your shoes to keep them off the floor in the room. And as always, the rooms have a safe right here. And we're now going to turn and go across into the bathroom. Nothing remarkable here. It's a pretty standard bathroom on a Royal Caribbean ship. This is what you'd find in any standard room. So inside, balcony, window, outside of these suites where they start to get better and a little bit more to them. But a decent amount of mirrors, garbage, and a shelf down below. Then as we turn to come into the room, you've got your full-length mirror right here. Hi, everyone. And so we're going to turn. So the beds are set up this way. Like I said, they can always be changed to a king configuration. And then actually we'll go back here, show you where there are some drawers here, as well as the TV, and you have a couple shelves up above. You can see they have made up our room and decided to do a towel animal. And we'll take a look at the vanity. You do have a couple more shelves right here. Garbage can down below. And to the right of the chair is the chiller or cooler. It's not actually a full fridge, but it does help keep stuff a little bit colder when you need it. And they do have a lot of little hidden areas of storage that you can find useful. If you are on more than a 3-night ship like we're on, something like this for some of your items would be kind of helpful to keep the desk clear. And you do get a small couch here that doesn't fold out or anything. This room is for 2 people and 2 people only. The table, my only complaint with this, I wish there was a way to fold this up and put it somewhere. I feel like it's not really useful all the time, but at times it is handy. And being the Promenade View room, you do see that you get a bench here right by the window. And we're going to take a look out right now. And so we're on deck 7, which is the middle of the promenade. And you can see the general store is down below. And over here is the logo shop. But these are kind of nice areas if you just kind of want to watch people, do a little people watching when you're maybe ready to go and you're waiting for somebody to finish up so you can head to dinner. And we're going to turn back Give you one more good look at the room. And this is an adjoining cabin, so there's 4 of us here. We've got the other 2 right next door. Now, even though we are on this, similar connected reservations, they didn't have that door unlocked when we checked in, so we had to find somebody and ask them to unlock it. But the room is going to be a very similar setup to what we have. It's just kind of handy when you have a larger group to be able to get in and chat, coordinate going to dinner and all that good stuff. So I hope you enjoy the video, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for checking out my video, and remember, if you're looking for a cruise, contact me and I'll find the perfect cruise vacation for you.